Welcome back to Dummy Boy Finance. I'm Dummy Boy and I want to go over Tesla stock today because what we saw in price action today could be the start of something very dangerous and very bloody. In honor of that, I am wearing a red shirt. It's not because it's for Tesla, but I do think there's going to be a lot more downside in the short term. I'm going to explain to you guys why using the charts as a fundamental basis. And so right now we're looking at Tesla on the daily time frame just to get an overall picture of what's happened with this stock. So since about November in 2019, we were consolidating, then we had a nice little run up and we got rejected. Then again, we had a lot of great buying opportunities. We tested our 200-day SMA. And remember, we have not done that at all after this point. So we tested this during our March drop, and then we just continued to just soar. And then we finally hit all-time highs in the last month. And now here we are looking like we are about to fall off a cliff. And so with this entire movement and uptrend, this trend line right here has been a great indication about how Tesla is going to move in the short term. And so simply, if you are above this point, you are very bullish. But if you're below this point, you should be slightly bearish. And so if I zoom this in a little bit to our 30-minute time frame, you can see not only did we break our 100-day SMA, we also broke our bottom trend line, and we did get a back test right here, and we could not hold. And so right now we are sitting underneath. It's not doomsday just yet. If Tesla cannot get back above this $625 line, it is going to get scary in the NASDAQ. It's going to get scary for all those EV plays, all of those speculative plays, a lot of these tech plays. Everything that you saw go up to the moon is going to go straight down to the gutters if Tesla can't hold 625. And you heard it here from Dummy Boy. Be prepared, because right now it does not look good. With that being said, I want to make it perfectly clear that I am a Tesla bull, one of the biggest Tesla bulls. I believe Tesla is going to take over the world, and they are going to have a market share that we have never seen before, because they're going to own all the gas stations, they're going to own all the cars, they're just going to own all the technology that is going to run our future world. However, when things go up, they also go down. And so we are in a situation where we are looking at a very beautiful opportunity in Tesla, in my opinion. So those of you who missed that entire run up on Tesla, wanting to get in on Tesla, are going to get opportunities, in my opinion, to buy this stock cheap. And how cheap are we talking? I want to pull this back out onto the daily time frame and mention one thing. So right here, this big candle is when all the mutual funds bought up Tesla and it got listed onto the S&P. And so right here is when a lot of the institutions and banks started to buy up Tesla. So they have average prices here at around $630. So if you bought a mutual fund past this point, you are probably slightly down on your Tesla position. And so this is a very significant level, because if we keep getting a lot lower than this point, a lot of those people who bought that mutual fund with Tesla in it are going to lose a lot of money in the short term. And so if we're kind of looking at the charts, I do believe in this drop, however long and however large it's going to be, Tesla is going to get a back test of this 200-day SMA, because this is our final level of support. On a stock that is so bullish and a stock that is so overhyped right now, Tesla is going to get a back test of this level, and it might be brief. It might be in a span of a couple seconds, then it might just come down here at this $470 level and then come back up. But I do believe at the very least we are going to get a back test of this level, because we have seen an extraordinary run here in Tesla. And the one thing that does kind of scare me, if we do get to this point on the 200-day SMA and we consolidate in this area, that would give us a shoulder, a head, and another shoulder. And what would that mean? That would mean Tesla's about to drop even further. And so is this crash going to happen overnight? It is not going to happen overnight. We saw the overnight crash. That happened in 2020, happened within like 3-4 days. That's not going to happen this time. This time is going to be that slow bleed that is going to try to reel you in every green day to think that maybe the market's going to keep going up, but it's going to go 2 steps back, 1 step forward. And that's the type of game plan I see here with Tesla. We saw on Monday, all the indexes were up over 2%. Then we got absolutely crushed. That's that 1 step forward, 2 steps back. And so with Tesla, it's not going to go down without a fight, and it's not going to go down in a straight line. You are going to get crazy volatility, you're going to get crazy bounces, but at the end of it, I think the net outcome is going to be to the downside, and I think we should be looking at levels at around 470. And personally, for myself, for Tesla, I will be opening up a position again in this stock if we backtest this 200-day SMA. I'm not going to put a lot of money into it. I'm going to open a position in Tesla. And that means if Tesla goes lower, I will continue to average down. But this is the gold standard company that everybody should be watching. And so even if Tesla here at 470 in people's eyes is overvalued, just remember how high this thing has gotten and how valuable this company is in the future. So I think anytime you can get Tesla on a dip, that is a tremendous opportunity to have in your portfolio. And I believe this is a must own stock. And so the biggest thing we're looking for Tesla right now is to get above this uptrend line. If we can't get above this uptrend line, it does not look good for Tesla. And so that is our first step. We had an absolute bloodbath today in the markets. I haven't seen one like this in a long time. This week has been crazy red. I would not be surprised if we see another bloodbath tomorrow. But overall today, Tesla has to get above 625. Otherwise, it's looking a little scary. So I just wanted to make this quick little video on Tesla because this is probably the one stock that everybody should have on their watch list because they should be trying to buy this stock on a dip. And so if you like this video, don't forget to like. We are on the road to 10K subs. If you made it to this point, feel free to hit that subscription button. This is Dummy Boy Finance. I'm Dummy Boy, and I'll see you guys in the next one.